Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not add card to Apple Pay. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add card to your Apple Pay, but you're facing this type error that whenever you try to add card, you might see an error which is could not add card to your Apple Pay. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to go back and you just have to scroll down your control center and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And go back from here, open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. So once I've disconnected your VPN, just go back, go to language and region option, select a region, select your own region in which you're living. So once I've selected your region, just go back and here go to the data name section, enable the toggle to set your data name automatically. Again, go back, go to the software update section, and you just have to try to update your software. So once you updated your software, just go back and you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not true that you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to simply go to your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings in the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone's network setting, it will be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. Or sometime if you're still facing the same issues, there's only way you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option. Just scroll down and look for Apple Wallet, Apple Pay, or the option you might get here. So let's say I'm gonna select wallet option from here, and here you just have to wait for this loading, and then tap on get more help, and tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. Yeah, you just have to dial this phone number, and you will be connected to Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.